Hey guys, I'm back with another video. And on today's video is going to be a fresas con crema. Let's get right into it. So, the first thing that we want to do is rinse and cut our strawberries. So, I have my strawberries already ready. I just need to cut them into halves. And these strawberries were so beautiful. I got them from our local farm. We definitely support our local farmers market here. So I just need to cut a few more of the strawberries. I'm just going to grab them and cut them and cut some in half and some into like little pieces, like so. And then we want to leave some whole. Okay, once our strawberries are all cut to our liking and our preference, we're going to get started with our cream sauce. Our cream sauce is supposed to be a creamy, sweet, thick consistency. And the way that we're going to do that is by using this yam. This is a white yam, and this white yam is going to be the base and the starchiness and thickness to our cream sauce, to our sweet cream crema. So let's get right into it. All we really need is a blender, and I have the ingredients right here to show you. And I'm going to write them on the description below so you can just relax and enjoy the recipe, enjoy the video. So this recipe is going to be super simple. We have here 1 cup of yam, which is equivalent to 3 yams. We also have right here a cup of soy milk. We have vanilla bean powder and some sweetener. I'm using coconut sugar today. So we're just going to add everything in. 1 cup of milk. 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla bean powder or vanilla extract. 1/2 cup of coconut sugar. A teaspoon of almond extract. Blend this concoction till smooth. And this is how our creamy custard sauce looks like. Now what we want to do is layer our strawberries with our custard sauce. This is a combination of raisins, coconuts, and pecans. Just layer the strawberries and the custard sauce and the raisins and coconut and pecans to however you like. You don't have to be perfect here. You just want to make it even. You want a little bit of the cream sauce. You want to have a well balance of the strawberries and the coconut and the raisins. Well, there you have it, friends. Fresas con cremas. And we're going to give it a nice taste test. This is bomb. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. It is sweet, it's luscious, it is so yummy, friends, and you're gonna love the recipe. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and stick around for more, friends.